Creating vocabulary lists with synonyms and antonyms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we will focus on an essential aspect of expanding your vocabulary: creating vocabulary lists with synonyms and antonyms. By using synonyms and antonyms, you can enhance your understanding of words, improve your writing, and express yourself more precisely. So, let's get started. Before we dive into creating vocabulary lists, let's quickly review what synonyms and antonyms are. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings, while antonyms are words with opposite meanings. Knowing both synonyms and antonyms can help you comprehend the nuances of different words and add variety to your language use. For example, the word beautiful has synonyms such as gorgeous, stunning, and lovely. On the other hand, its antonyms include ugly, unattractive, and repulsive. By understanding these relationships, you can expand your vocabulary and express yourself with precision. When creating a vocabulary list with synonyms and antonyms, it's crucial to choose words that are relevant to your learning goals. You can start by selecting words that are commonly used or frequently appear in the context you want to focus on, such as academic texts, business communication, or daily conversations. Tip: you can refer to dictionaries, thesauruses, or online resources to find synonyms and antonyms for specific words. Make sure to choose words that are appropriate for your level of English proficiency. To make your vocabulary lists more effective, it's important to organize them systematically. You can group words based on their themes, such as emotions, academic terms, or industry-specific jargon. By categorizing words, you can easily retrieve them when needed and reinforce your understanding of different word relationships. Tip: consider using digital tools like flashcard apps or spreadsheet software to create and manage your vocabulary lists. These tools offer flexibility and allow you to add notes, examples, and audio recordings to enhance your learning experience. Now that you have your vocabulary lists ready, it's time to incorporate synonyms and antonyms. For each word on your list, search for suitable synonyms and antonyms that accurately reflect the word's meaning. Let's take the word happy as an example. Some synonyms for happy include joyful, delighted, and content. On the other hand, antonyms for happy include sad, unhappy, and depressed. By including these alternatives, you'll expand your understanding of the word and have more options when expressing yourself. To reinforce your learning, it's essential to practice using synonyms and antonyms actively. Here are a few exercises you can try. 1. Contextual sentences. Write sentences using the synonyms or antonyms you've learned. This will help you understand how words can be used in different contexts. 2. Matching activities. Create matching activities where you pair words with their synonyms or antonyms. This exercise will improve your ability to recognize word relationships. 3. Sentence completion. Complete sentences by filling in the blanks with the appropriate synonyms or antonyms. This exercise will challenge your vocabulary and comprehension skills. Remember, practice is key to mastering new vocabulary and using synonyms and antonyms effectively. Congratulations! You've learned how to create vocabulary lists with synonyms and antonyms to enhance your English language skills. By incorporating synonyms and antonyms into your